In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own virtual friend with few lines of Python. So for this, you will need Python installed in your computer, and then you need a code editor called PyCharm. So after that, you just open your code editor and then go to your browser and search for Python text to speech. Press enter and you can see the first link. So you can click on this link and then you can see this line which says pip install pyttsx3. So copy this line and then go to your code editor. So after that, go to file option and then a new project and then name your project. So press enter. So it will take some seconds, so you just wait for this process to complete. So now you just need to click on Ctrl A and then backspace. So go to your terminal and paste the line which says pyttsx3 by pressing Ctrl V and then press enter. So it will take some seconds to download it. So the first thing we will do is to import the library that we just installed, and that will be pyttsx3. Press enter and then type friend is equal to pyttsx3 and then initialize it. After that, we will write just one line like friend and then say, and then make your friend say whatever, and type you are a great fun. So type you are a great fun, and after that you will say a line like a friend, and then you will run and wait. So this is 4 lines of code, and all you need to make some of your friend to tell you that you are a great fun. So after that, you just need to click on this run option.
You are a great fun. I miss you, Mary John.
So you can see someone saying you are a great fun. So here I am typing I miss you, Mary John, I love you, and just click the play button. So you can see it saying I love you, Mary John. And so not only that, you have user input also. So to get the user input, you just tap speech is equal to input and then tap here say something, and then here you just write speech, and now you run this and look at this terminal and put your input command. So here I am type you are my best friend dear. So after that you just need to click on enter. So this is how you can create your talking friend with just 4 lines of Python. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.